Good morning, everyone. It is currently Sunday morning. It's a little after 10:30. I am currently backing out of my driveway. I'm heading to a jazz class this morning. I found this one about a month ago and I wanted to go, but never made it just due to school and all that. So if you guys don't know or you're new here, I danced for 13 years from when I was like 5 to when I graduated high school. And then after I graduated, I have not really danced since. I took like 3 or 4 ballet classes, but they were at like a rec center, and so they were not super legit. Like, it wasn't real ballet from what I had learned and what I've seen and all that. So I stopped going to those, and I like haven't danced since. And so I work part-time at a dance store, and so it's like really hard working there and like being around dance stuff and not dancing. So I was like, you know what, I don't have anything better to do today, and I have wanted to try this class out, so I'm just gonna go. Also, by the way, this is technically a vlogmas video. I know it's like we're more than halfway through vlogmas, but I just like could not do it with school and exams and work and all that kind of stuff, and I didn't want to like stress myself out. So I did a poll on Instagram and I was like, is it too late to start vlogmas? And like 89% said no. So I was like, cool. So I'll be vlogging Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then maybe Monday. So like 6-ish videos between now and Christmas probably. Plus, I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in like so long, even though like my past 4 videos have been like a week in my life. So I just feel like I haven't been able to like sit down and chat. So I think I'm actually gonna, one of the videos, or maybe a bonus video, will be like a sit down, chit chat, get ready with me, because there's like so much that I want to talk about and answer questions and stuff like that. So stay tuned, that'll probably be out sometime soon. I started this new book last night. It's so freaking good. So yeah, this past semester, I took a Native American literature class. So this is a new Native American writer, Tommy Orange. He just came out with the book in like June, I think, and it was like supposed to be like really well, like not acclaimed, like just waited for. I started reading it. The prologue is like everything that I learned in class, and it just makes me so mad and so sad. And then I started reading the book, and it's just like, it's fantastic. I'm only maybe like 20 or 30 pages in, but like it's so good. It's called They're There, for those of you wondering. Alright, so I'm gonna concentrate on driving because I hate driving on the stupid highway with all these cars coming around me. So I'll talk to you guys after my class. Alright, so I'm finished with my class. I'm on my way home right now. It felt so good. It was a really good class. It was a beginner class, which I was kind of apprehensive to go to just because like I'm not a beginner. Like I kind of want more of like an intermediate class. But like it was a good like kind of slowly immersing myself back into jazz, just because like I haven't danced jazz, like I haven't danced anything other than ballet in like over 1.5 years. So it was good just to kind of like slowly get back into it. We did like some stretches, some warm-up stuff, some like core exercises. Then we did like stuff across the floor, and we learned a little combination, which I really like. It's really fun and kind of like sassy and funky, and it's just really fun. It feels really good to dance. I really miss dancing. Plus, like the class I think was only supposed to be an hour, but it ended up being like 1 hour 20, and it was only $12. Since I'm a student, I get $12 class, which is like a lot, but for 1 hour 20, that's not that bad. So I think I'll definitely be back. I love the teacher. I loved the other people in the class. They were all older, probably like over 50, and they were just like really fun to dance with, because obviously I've only danced with like kids my age, so it's fun to dance with older people. So yeah, I'm gonna get home, I'm gonna shower, I'm going to eat some lunch, I'm going to drink some water because I didn't drink very much, and I'm feeling a little lightheaded from all that movement. Also haven't worked out like that well in a little while, so it was just like really good overall. And then yeah, I have to call the pharmacy about my prescription, and then I'll go and pick it up, and my mom's out of town, so I think I might get some groceries too, because my dad does not do good at grocery shopping, so. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a little grocery haul just because I very rarely grocery shop. I just like seeing what people eat, so I thought that this would be fun and a good chance since you probably won't see another one of these until like August when I move out. First thing I got are these gluten-free bagels. They're my favorite. They have like little sesame seeds and flax seeds, I think, and they just like taste really good. Toasted with eggs, peanut butter and jelly is good. I used to make sandwiches on them, but I'm not eating meat anymore. Grilled cheese is good on them. Like, they're just like really good. Fun stuff. I got some shampoo. It was buy one get one free, so I decided to stock up. I got Pantene Damage Detox Scalp. There's like mint in here, and it just like smells so good, and I love minty shampoos because it feels so good too. And then I just got Classic Clean, which is just classic, and I really like how that one makes my hair and scalp feel. Next, I got some apples. I think these are Gala apples. They're the really small ones though. For some reason, our grocery store was out of like so much produce, and they were just like out of a lot of stuff like chips and just like weird stuff that I feel like is normally usually pretty stocked, so I was surprised by that. Don't know if that's normal or not, but I was just kind of having a hard time finding what I wanted. And then I got some carrots. My whole family likes carrots. They're just easy to pack for lunches and just to kind of snack on with some dip, so they're just like a good little healthy food to have. Also got this oats and honey granola. There is gluten in this. I do typically try to eat gluten-free, however I have acai mix little packet maker things in the freezer still, and I like to add oats on top to make it a little bit more filling, and we didn't have any oats, so I just decided to get some granola. And yeah, I would say I'm about like 95-97% gluten-free. Then I got some Green Mountain coffee. This is my, I don't know, we just always buy it because it's usually a pretty good deal and it tastes good. This one's French vanilla. We haven't bought this one in a little while. Oh no, I accidentally bought decaf. I did not even look at that. And then I got some Cliff Bars. These are just good to kind of throw in your bag. I love having these during school. I guess I kind of thought that I was still in school when I bought these, but like they're good for work too. Just to, I don't know, kind of snack on and give you a little bit of energy. These ones are chocolate chip. And then I got 3 ices. This one's kiwi strawberry, coconut pineapple, which is my dad's favorite, and then cherry limeade, which is really good. They're all really good. Just a nice drink, colorful. And then I got some chips. I'm not like a huge chip person anymore. It used to be a big one, but these are again nice snacks to have, little additions with like a bagel or like a salad or something like that. So I got sea salt and vinegar, which I actually don't like, but my sister and my mom likes them. And then I got barbecue, which I love. These, however, are my favorite Cheeto Puffs. They're so good, and I just love them. So yeah, that's everything that I got. I think it was like $34, so it was a lot of money for not a lot of stuff. I was very surprised by the prices also. It was so expensive. Like, I'm moving out next year, or that's the plan at least, in August, so I'll be paying for like all of my own groceries, my house, my tuition, my books. I'll be paying for everything, so it's gonna be like a huge wake-up call, but it'll be good. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the haul. Alright, so it's about 9:15. My dad and I just finished watching Ex Machina, which it was my first time seeing it, his second, but it was like really interesting and really good and just kind of like intriguing, and it was all about like AI and human interaction and stuff like that. And yeah, I don't know, it's just really interesting because like I feel like AI is like kind of a prominent subject-ish, or like it's in the near future for us, and yeah, I don't know, it's just really interesting. But yeah, so I'm like really tired. I actually fell asleep for like an hour earlier, which never happens. I never am able to like sleep during the day. Like usually it's just like only at night, unless I'm like laying on the beach or something like that. But yeah, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video here, spend the next 45 minutes editing this vlog, that way it will go up tomorrow morning, the 17th. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. I don't know, I feel like it seemed boring to me, like filming it, just because I don't do anything ever. and I wasn't able to like record any of the dance class, which I was kind of hoping to, but he actually wouldn't let me, which is like totally understandable. Like choreographers and dance teachers don't really like their pieces being recorded for obvious reasons. But yeah, it's just been like a lot of me talking, but gonna end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.